Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Srinivas Reddy Palam. In this video, I am going to explain you about a scholarship. The name of the scholarship is Infosys Foundation STEM Star Scholarship Program for the academic year 2024 and 25. As part of this scholarship, you will receive up to 1 lakh per annum if you get selected for this particular scholarship. In order to get selected for this particular scholarship, you should be pursuing STEM courses in undergraduation. Okay, in undergraduation degree program, you should pursue STEM courses like science, technology, engineering, and mathematics subjects. If you study and if you are pursuing your STEM course graduation program as a first year female student, you will be eligible to receive this particular scholarship program. Okay, and actually this particular scholarship is offered for the 4 academic years including MBBS. Okay, including MBBS, if you are pursuing these courses, you will be selected for this particular scholarship if you meet the eligibility criteria. And this particular scholarship covers tuition fees, living expenses, and cost incurred for study materials. Okay, this particular scholarship is offered by actually Infosys Foundation in order to support the students education, healthcare, women empowerment, and environmental sustainability. This particular foundation is established actually, and they are uh, providing the scholarship for the female students. Okay, the eligibility criteria for this particular scholarship is applicant must be female students who are citizens of India, and student must be enrolled in the first year of their 4-year undergraduate courses in engineering, medicine, MBBS, and other related STEM fields at institutes of repute listed in the top National Institute of Ranking Federation ranking for 2023 and 24. You can see whether your particular college is there in NIRF ranking list in the top engineering colleges and top 50 medical colleges. You can click on these links and you can verify whether your particular institute is of repute. Okay, in NIRF rankings, candidate must have obtained admission into the identified colleges and completed their class 12. Okay, after completing your class 12, you should have obtained admission in these top 50 and top engineering colleges, medical and engineering colleges. Then you will be selected for this particular scholarship if you apply. Applicant must fulfill the below specified academic criteria for continuation of scholarship throughout the course duration. A minimum CGPA of 7 in engineering and related courses until course completion is required, and also pass qualification in all subjects for the first year for the year in MBBS. Okay, for the year in MBBS for continuation of enrollment until course completion. Okay, so just pass requirement is required in MBBS courses, and 7 CGPA is required in engineering courses. Applicant must have an annual family income of less than or equal to 8 lakhs in order to get selected for this particular scholarship. Candidate must not have availed other scholarship for the same expenses. Okay, if you are a recipient of other scholarship, you will be straight away rejected if you even apply and meet the eligibility criteria. Benefits of this particular scholarship is the selected candidate will receive a scholarship of up to 1 lakh per annum covering tuition, living expenses, and study materials for the 4-year duration of the course against paid receipts. Okay, if you supply or if you provide receipts, payment receipts, you will be receiving this particular scholarship covering up to 1 lakh rupees. Okay, per year. Documents required in order to apply for this particular scholarship is recent passport size photograph, class 12 mark sheet, and passing certificate along with JER set NEET scorecard. Okay, you should have written some entrance examinations after completing your 12th class, and you should have obtained admission in the top engineering college and top 50 medical colleges which are provided in the NIRF ranking list. Government issued identity proof like Aadhaar card, voter ID card, driving license, PAN card, whatever is there with you, you can provide or upload that document. Current year admission proof, which can be provided with fee receipt, admission letter, institution identity card, bona fide certificate, family income proof certificate issued by appropriate government offices, or BPL, below poverty line, ration card. Okay, or similar card. Ayushman Bharat card is also acceptable. For the family income proof certificate. Electricity bills for the past 6 months are to be provided as an additional supporting document. Okay, you have to collect additionally you have to provide electricity bills for the past 6 months in order to support your family income status. Bank account details of the applicant, like bank passbook or cancel check, is required in order to credit the amount into your account if you get selected for this particular scholarship. Meeting this eligibility criteria, and if you find that you are suitable to apply for this particular scholarship, first of all you have to register yourself in this buddyfirststudy.com website, okay, by clicking this register button here. Okay, after you click on this register, you can register yourself by providing your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, and providing the password and confirm password details. After that, you have to accept these declaration, like agree to buddyfirststudy.com privacy policy and other terms and conditions. Okay, once you created the account with buddyfirststudy.com website, then simply you can simply you can log into the buddyfirststudy.com website, and after that you can apply for this particular scholarship. Okay, I want to demonstrate you how to apply for this particular scholarship by clicking on this apply now button also. Okay, here you need to provide your email id and things like your password, and you have to log in yourself in this buddyfirststudy.com website. Once you click on this login button, it will take you to the stem star Infosys Stem Star scholarship program 2024-25 application form page, where you have to fill up certain details like your personal details, corresponding address, permanent address, and after that you have to provide your educational details, and after that you have to upload your documents. Okay, qualification documents and other things. Okay, it will be taking some time to load this application form page, where I will show you the things required for applying this particular scholarship. Okay, my internet connection is a little bit slow, that's why it is taking some time. This particular scholarship is offered in the last year academic year also. During the academic year 2023 and 24 also, I have loaded this video and provided the process for application of this particular scholarship. Whoever is interested, they can just go to my YouTube channel, and there they can search my videos in the playlist, and then they can simply watch that video and uh, know the procedure for applying this particular scholarship. The deadline for applying this particular scholarship is also, you can see here. Okay, the deadline is actually 15 September. A little bit lately I am uploading this video. Sorry for the delay in uploading this video, but if at all, if someone is suitable and you want to apply for this particular scholarship, still there is some time. 11 more days or 12 days is there, sufficient time is there. Just go through the video and apply this particular scholarship. Okay, you can see the same eligibility criteria and things are given here. Okay, go through them, and if you meet the eligibility criteria and if you fit for this particular scholarship, you can just apply this particular scholarship by clicking on this start application. Okay, so here the main criteria for applying this particular scholarship, you should be a female candidate. If you are not a female student, then you are not eligible to apply for this particular scholarship, and you should be pursuing your engineering program or MBBS program from the NIRF accredited institutions. Ranking list is there in this website itself. You can check that. Okay, if you fit and if you find that you are suitable to apply for this particular scholarship, should click OK and apply for this particular scholarship. Once you click OK, the actual application form page will open. Okay, go through the different sections of data that you have to provide, fill up all those things, and once you fill up all these things, you have to actually preview the particular data that you have actually entered. Okay, once you find if you whatever the data that you have entered is correct and appropriate, you can simply submit your application. If you find any mistakes in the data that you have actually previewed, you can once again submit the data. Okay, once again recorrect your data, and once again you can submit your application after correcting the data. So these are the sections of data that you have to actually fill up. Student personal details you have to fill up. Okay, go through them. Okay, permanent address, correspondence address, educational details also you have to fill up. Okay, educational details like your class 12 graduation, family members details also you have to fill up, your father, mother. Okay, whatever family member details that you want to provide, you can provide. And after that you have to actually upload documents. Okay, but since I have not completed these two initial sections, personal student personal details and educational details, it is not allowing me to view the documents required. But I have already covered what are the documents required for applying this particular scholarship. After that, after uploading these documents, you have to provide minimum two references. whomever you feel convenient, and whomever know about you. Okay, provide those personal persons references, and after that you have to provide your bank details, so that you if you get selected for this particular scholarship, amount will be credited after providing the sufficient paid receipts. Okay, and after that it is asking you to explain about yourself. Okay, by answering these questions, and once you fill up all these things, you have to accept these declaration statements by clicking these declaration statement check boxes, and you can click on preview, so that whatever data that you have entered will be previewed. And if you find the data okay to submit, just go ahead and submit your application. And if you find any difficulty in applying this particular scholarship, you can very well comment in the video, so that I will help you to apply for this particular scholarship. And if you find this video useful and suitable for someone else, just pass on the information by sharing this video to others, so that they will also apply for this particular scholarship, and they will get benefited out of this. And if you find this information useful, and if you want to receive further notification from my YouTube channel in future also, I am requesting you to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that it will support me also. Thank you for watching this video, and wish you all the best for your scholarship application.